good morning, Krugerville Farm. Today, we're gonna do a little run clean on the coop. We've got some pine bark mulch, 2 cubic feet. This thing holds about 4 cubic feet total. So I'm gonna take about half of it out, put new stuff in, and then we'll spread it in our garden as a mulch. But this is going to be the first time the girls get to come out and play. So Omi-Don is gonna be our little chick master, and we'll see how they do in the yard, but we've never let them roam free in the yard. We've always had the other cage. So today's a big day. We'll see how it goes. And we'll come back and she'll check in on me. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, Corey, Seaweed, Olivia, Sophie, let's go, ladies. Come on out. Oh, their freedom. You want to come out? Come out and play. Come on. Come on, let's go. There you go. There you go. Korean seaweed. Look at that. This is completely new for them. And they've grown up. They are probably going to begin producing eggs here maybe in another 30 days. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious.
My.
We're celebrating. This is big.
Wow, they're having fun. Exercising.
Literally, they get to spread their wings today. Uh-oh, we've got a poser. Look at that in the garden. Ladies, can you give me some room so I can go to work? Oh, they want to go back in their room.
Back in their room.
Hi, girls. Seaweed. This is just rocks. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl.
What's up, chickies? Krugerville Farms Emancipation. Their main door is open, and Corey's the only adventuresome one. Seaweed, Sophie, and Olivia are still hanging out in the run. It's amazing how attached they get to their home. And look at who's coming over. Corey's coming to say hi to his clan. Come on, Seaweed, let's go. Come on, ladies. Let's go explore the yard. Let me get some fresh stuff in there for you to pick at and scratch at. Come on, you silly bakabukus. All right. These silly girls are rather shy and reclusive. They want to stay in their run. So I'm going to work around them because I just want to get done. I have other things to do today. And we put treats out, water, their pesting bed, but they insist on hanging out here. So they must be social media mavens. They're going to live this life clandestinely through the lens of a camera instead of out breathing air and running in the real world. So I'm going to get this stuff mounted up, and then I will spread it, and we'll put some treats in it too. But first, it's just going to be a manual process. Pest Be Gone. It's an herbal mix. We mix this in the run, and it makes it smell like poopery.
Peppermint.
And I'll rake that into the dirt. This has lasted, I don't know, a month or so.
Smells like peppermint and rosemary. Helps with pests so we don't get lice.
Now, this is a big day for the girls, although I must say they didn't earn it due to their freedom. We're just going to throw it in there to spoil them a little bit. So this is just something to peck at. And I think when they get a little older, the next thing is their food changes and they can do the spec mix.
Oh, Seaweed's already loving it. Come on, Corey. Oh my goodness gracious. Yum, yum.
This is their little delicatessen mix today, right there. We will put this, let's put this right over here so it's kind of out of the
together. That'd be great.
Put in their food. And
Yeah.
then they won't poop on it.
Yeah.
And their special water. And their elevated bar
What's in that water?
platform.
What do you have in that water?
We have apple cider vinegar and honey, I think.
Correct.
Correct? That's kind of the happy hour juice. And you can see now, fresh pine bark mulch. We put a little treat in there so they can peck at it. And as we learned today, they are rather homebound, and which is cool. So we didn't quite know how they'd behave given their independence. Pretty luxurious accommodations. And ladies, I must say, I am looking forward to the best eggs I have ever had in my life. And if Uncle Stevie Boy were here, you know, he loves eggs, but he likes rotisserie too. So I don't even want to have that chat with you. We're going to be positive, and I look forward to production. No pressure. Krugerville Farm. Hasta luego.